Alright, so we got a box from Rough Country. A little lifty lift. And a couple other little bits and bobs here. So, some upper control arms as well. On the old 4th gen 4Runner. Got an 04. Get some of this rusty old worn out mess out of here and see what all we can replace. Alright, so wheel off. We're going to take the cotter pin out of here and get the tie rod arm out next. There's the cotter pin. Hang on to that. And then a 19mm to get that out. Cool, not cool. I always rock my PPE. All right, and then just like Michael Jackson, we're gonna beat it. Bringing out the big guns. All right, so banged on this until finally broke free. All right, next up we're taking off the 17 for the sway bar.
Just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning.
It's just spinning. So next up we're removing the sway bar end link. Unfortunately, when I put the old DAC on here, the whole thing's spinning because it's shot. So I'm gonna put a 6mm Allen key inside and turn the outside and see if that works.
I had to resort to violence. Now to get these nuts busted.
Got the fucker! So my coils were pretty gross, so I'm replacing them with these TRD Pro off of a 5th gen 4Runner.
Cleaned them up a little bit. The TRD Pros are a little wider. Only took me about 10 hours. Squattajang. Toot toot.
So this is the puck that Rough Country sent me, and this is the bolt that came with it. Put the bolt through, and it's not long enough for me to actually, let alone the washers. Plus it's got to go through the frame. It's not long enough for to get a nut on.